And just like that, with just 2 clicks, our graphic is ready. We removed our old background images and added a colourful template to our image with only 2 mouse clicks. Amazing! Say you want to remove certain elements, like this logo on his tummy. Just select the area you want to retouch and in a few seconds it's gone. I want to retouch this logo, 2 buttons and his hair. As you can see, Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at PhotoRoom, which is a cool image editing website that uses AI to edit your photos online. To access it, you need to visit photoroom.com. I suggest creating a free account first. While they have paid plans available, the free plan is quite useful, and we'll be using the features available in the free version today. After creating an account and logging in, you'll see your personal homepage. Here you can find these different image editing tools: remove background, retouch, AI backgrounds, AI shadows, resize, AI images. Note that AI backgrounds, AI shadows, and AI images are only available to paid users. If you want to use them, you have to upgrade to Pro. AI backgrounds allows you to place any background behind your photo. AI shadows adds realistic shadows to images. And AI images lets you generate AI images. Since we're using the free version, we'll test the remove background feature. Let's select an image. Notice that in the original image, in the background, there's a blurry image of a car, a floor, maybe a window, and shadows near out character. When we open it and apply the tool, the background disappears instantly. You can then save this edited image to your device. Next, let's go to Templates. Find a template you like and select it. I'll choose this one for Girl Power. And click on Apply New Template. And just like that, with just 2 clicks, our graphic is ready. We removed our old background images and added a colourful template to our image with only 2 mouse clicks. Amazing! The great thing about these templates is that they're fully customizable. I will fast forward this part where I was trying out different fonts and colours on our image. You can add different fonts to your graphic. They have several styles available. Simply double-click on the style you prefer. Let's move on to the retouch tool. We will not cover resize today. We'll use the same image to demonstrate. Using the retouch brush, you can easily eliminate unwanted elements. Let's try out on this car. There's a slight change. Let's try it on this other side. These blurry red and yellow images. They have gone Say you want to remove certain elements, like this logo on his tummy. Just select the area you want to retouch and in a few seconds it's gone. I want to retouch this logo, 2 buttons, and his hair. As you can see, the retouch brush does an impressive job. Once you're finished, just confirm your changes, and the result looks fantastic. Go ahead, give this website a try with your own images. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.